And I asked Allah not to let them get wiped out because of enmity within their ranks. But Allah did not grant me that. عَدُوًّا مِّنْ أَنفُسِهِمْ, from within them. Perhaps Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows a secret we don't. Your duty and your duty and my duty and your duty, and your duty start with yourself. Next with your family. Next with your contracts and agreements. Who you work for, the jobs that you do. Next, your wealth. Where do you get it from? And how do you earn it and what do you spend it on? Most importantly, your heart. Is your salat affecting you to be honest and trustworthy? Or are you still a liar and a betrayer and a cheater? What is your state with your husband and wife? What is your state with your children? How are you raising them? What is your state in your job, in your whatever you do? Are you learning? Are you educating yourself? Are you growing? Are you sticking to the values? I know it might not seem like a lot when I said that the car's blocked all the way, but it says a lot. Rasul said, don't block the road and all that stuff. But what I'm saying is, I know it's trivial, but it says something about us.